Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check download settings on the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, and the lower right corner of the home screen. And here you can find the downloads option under the language preferences. Click that, and here you can find the two options, the manage download titles and the clear cache. And if you want to clear the downloads, just click that, but actually I have 0 megabyte, and you can check your download titles. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.